Jacksonville, Florida, Sign Contractor Bond. What is Jacksonville, Florida's Sign Contractor Bond? The Jacksonville, Florida Sign Contractor Bond is a type of surety bond required for professionals who install, repair, or maintain signs within the city of Jacksonville. It serves as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow local building codes and licensing rules. This bond protects the public and city agencies from losses caused by improper or unlawful sign work. Why is Jacksonville, Florida Sign Contractor Bond required? It is required to ensure that sign contractors comply with Jacksonville's safety, construction, and permit regulations. The bond helps safeguard property owners and the city against defective work, code violations, or damages caused by the contractor. Its purpose is to promote professionalism and accountability in the sign installation industry. How does Jacksonville, Florida Sign Contractor Bond work? If a contractor violates regulations or causes financial harm, a claim can be filed against the bond for compensation. The surety company pays valid claims, then seeks reimbursement from the contractor who is responsible for the issue. As long as the contractor operates lawfully, no claims are made and the bond remains in effect for licensing compliance. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.